Hi, Dave from the Motorcycle Fatlas here again. We're at Oxford Classic Hondas looking at the CB554 K3, American import, about 1978 S reg. It's in quite good nick actually. Mudguards are really good. The original exhaust. Even got the label sticker still on the swinging arm, look at that. Eh? Let's get the seat up whilst we're here as well, cameraman. Look at that seat. Look at that. Really good, really nice neck. So you got the higher handle bars being the American spec one. 11,500 miles. Condition suggests that's probably genuine mileage. It's a solid mudguard. It's got a little bit of rust here and there on it, but a lot of that would come off with some silver. Rims are a little bit rusty in places, and the spokes on the front wheel anyway. On the back wheel, yeah, again, a little bit of rust on the front, but overall condition is just how I would like it. Original, and it's not been messed about with. I like the colour actually. I don't know, call that plum, would you, or something like that? Same as a CD 200. A CD, yeah, 200. Lovely. Let's start her up. One of the baffles does sound a little bit loose in one of the silencers, but engine sounds sweet as anything. Notice it has had a repair on the exhaust there. It's getting a little bit thin here as well, but you know, these things are getting harder to find, especially with the, you know, original pipes. Let's get my old lid on and take her around the block. CB550. Wow, what a nice bike. I've only just pulled away. Everything just feels right about it. Smooth. Lovely bike. Everything feels lovely, comfortable. I don't know what sort of brake horsepower they are, but enough. I think I prefer these to the 750 actually. They just seem to look right. It's like a KH Kawasaki. To me the KH 400 looks right. I like this bike a lot. I really like this bike. Yeah, what a nice bike. I really like that. I mean, I couldn't take it very fast, and we haven't ridden it far, but you just know when you know, I just went round the block, and as soon as you start pulling away, you think, what a nice bike. Yes, that is really tasty. As I say, I prefer this to the 750. It just looks right, and it looks the right size. It's, like I said, like a KH 250, but 400 to my mind looks the best compared to a 750 or the 500, and I think that's the same with this. I think the CB404, the Super Sport ones, are too small, and they just look a little bit squat to my mind, and that just looks the business. I just noticed that decal there, it's been messed about with, hasn't it? Somebody's put new ones on, but you know, other than that, I wouldn't knock it. It's 1978, so what's that? How old's that? 46 years old. Yeah, nice bike. Thanks for watching.